G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm on my way to KFC. They've got the brand new KFC Kentucky Fried Donuts out today. So, mate, I have got to go and try these things. So I'm going to go in and grab some and see what they're like. Now, they do come in a box and, well, they also come in a secret menu item as well. So I'm just going to go and grab the box and, well, let's go and get these donuts and give them a whirl and see what they're like. Let's do it! All right, well, here we go. The new Kentucky Fried Donuts from KFC. Now, you'll probably hear a lot of noise in the car today. We're going through a bit of a rain situation here, so you'll have to forgive the sound of that noise. But anyway, this is a KFC $4.95 fill-up box with some of the new donuts. So let's suss out what we get inside. Yes, yes, yes. All right, I was the first person to get it at the KFC, the girls said. So, in here, we've got a serving of their chips, you little ripper. KFC potato and gravy, yummo! We've got a chicken tender, oh yeah! Yumma! We get a chicken wicked wing here. Ooh, that looks tasty, doesn't it? But the thing we're all after is this here, the new donuts. Now, it's a snack size, which means you get 3 of them. Oh, well, maybe not 3, maybe a few more, but there we go. There's the donuts. Now I'm wondering if these donuts have got like 11 secret herbs and spices, or if it's just cinnamon and sugar. Looks just like cinnamon and sugar, doesn't it? All right, here we go. They look very well cooked. Oh yeah. That tastes really nice. They're just a normal donut with cinnamon and sugar, but look how fluffy that is in the middle. Oh yeah. And just look at that outside. It's crisp. It's sort of crunchy as well. From what I've had so far, these are good. Yum. Oh. These are definitely moreish, and well, if you got the big box full, I'm pretty sure you'd be pretty happy with them. Oh, mate. Not exactly a donut, is it? It's more like a ball. I'll tell you what, if I'm going to have to stick balls in my mouth, I want them to be like this. Oh. Like that, top shelf, I tells you. Now I better try some of these other things, right? Well, we've got the chips. Oh yeah. Do they call these fries in America? They're not fries, they're chips. Oh. Oh, and they taste so good. Oh, mate. Oh. One of my favourite things from KFC, the chicken tender. Oh, mate. I do love the tenderloin. So salty, but so nice. We get the wicked wing, of course. Oh, have a look at that. Yum! Oh, how good does that look? Looks good enough to eat. Hang on, is that a feather sticking out? Must be still alive, this chicken. All right. Oh. Tasty. A chicken coating with flavour. Red Rooster, you should learn from that. Be better without the feathers though. Pretty sure. I mean, this one's got more feathers than my duck feather tuna. Crikey! When I eat animals, I prefer to eat the meat, not the skin or feathers. Unless it's bacon skin, of course. Crackling. Oh, I love that stuff! And you get the potato and gravy too. My second favourite potato and gravy. Behind red rooster. Oh yeah. Yummo! Anyway, I think I've had enough of it now to know what score I'm going to give it out of 10. $4.95 for all that? You got to be kidding me, mate. How do they afford to do it? That's an absolute bargain. These donuts, man, they tasted really nice. The classic donut taste, nice and fluffy, airy, crispy on the outside, and that beautiful sugar coating with the cinnamon. What more do you want? I tell you what, I want way more of those things. Make sure you get the big box if you get them. On their own, 10 out of 10. But this $4.95 fill-up box with them included, mate, there's so much food in there. It's a great snack for $5. Find me something better. It tastes great. It looks great. It'll fill you up, possibly. And, well, mate, all I can say is that out of 10, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. What a great feed. Everything in that box tastes absolutely top shelf. It tastes good. It looks good. It is good. It's healthy. Don't quote me on that. And I'm sure if you went down and got one, you will be so delighted that you'll probably go back and get another one. Every day. While the special's on. Which is probably what I'm going to do. Anyway, I hope this video helps you in your decision of what to eat and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger